I wonder if this is a parable. It has a lid. Let's see what's inside. I wonder what this might be. It's very big and very tan. I wonder what this is. It looks like it has grapes on it. Once every year, the people of God go up to Jerusalem to celebrate the feast of the Passover, to remember how God led them through the water to freedom. And every year, Jesus and his family and friends went to Jerusalem to celebrate the feast. But this year, as Jesus was teaching in the temple, the chief priest and the elders were trying to trick him. They asked him, "Who gave you authority to say what you say and to do what you do?" Jesus would not answer. Instead, he told them this parable. A man had 2 sons. He went to the first and said, "Son, go to the vineyard today." But the son said, "No, I don't want to." Later, he came back and he said sorry, and so he went. And then the father went to the other son. "Son, go and work in the vineyard today." And the son said, "Yes, I will go." But he didn't. Then Jesus asked the priests and the elders, "Which of these 2 sons did what the father wanted?" "The first," they answered. Then Jesus said to them, "The tax collectors and the sinners are going into the kingdom of God before you. John the Baptist came to show you the right way to live, and you did not believe him. But the tax collectors and sinners did. They changed their ways. Even when you saw that the tax collectors and sinners had changed, you did not change your way." I wonder what the father felt when he found out that his second son did not go to the vineyard. I wonder how his first son felt when he was able to pick all of those grapes and bring them to his father. This is the parable of the 2 sons.